Okay, so this video will be topic 13, lesson 4, and we are using triangles and polygons. Part 1, section 2 is giving you an acute triangle. That means 2 out of the 3 sides are the same. And it says the base is 12 inches. The height is 29.5 inches, which is right up the middle. 29.5 inches. Okay, so what they want you to do is use the triangle and create a parallelogram using the same triangle, but it will be turned to complete. Okay, so it'll be, the base of that will be down here, so that you have 2 of the same triangles making the polygon. Okay, pardon my drawing, it's not going to be perfect, right? So then we take area of a triangle. A equals 1/2 times the base times height. We have 12 for the base, 29.5 for the height. So 1/2 times 12 times 29.5, and we should get 177 inches squared. So that is how much cloth they will need to make a pennant. Okay, so that's part 1, section 2. Part 1, section 3 gives us an acute triangle. So, not my best drawing. We have 12 for the base. It gives us a height of 8 meters. And then it shows the hypotenuse. The other sides are 11. So those would both be 11 meters. Okay, so again, we take 1/2. To find the area, we take 1/2 of the base times the height. We have 1/2 times 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is 96. So 1/2 times 96 is going to be 48. Okay, and when you multiply a number by 1/2, you're doing the same thing as dividing it by 2, because 1/2 times 96 is 96 over 2, and you'll see that 2 goes into 96 48 times, and that's meters squared. Okay, so then we have parallelograms from an obtuse triangle. So part 2, section 1, it gives you a video to watch. And then part 2, section 2, gives us an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle means that all sides are different, and it wants us to find the area of that. We start with the triangle, which is okay, all sides are different. We have 180 yards here, 75 yards here. So turn that into a parallelogram. We have another 180 here, just like that. We also know the distance here is going to be 56 yards. So now we have 1/2 of 180 times the 56, because we have the base here, and this is how we find the height. Okay, your answer, we take 180 times 56, multiply that by 1/2, and you should get 5,040 yards squared. Part 2, Section 3, we have okay, so there's an obtuse triangle. We have 12 2/5 feet here. The height is 5 1/2 feet. And then we have a hypotenuse 8 4/5. We have to take 1/2 times the base first, 12 2/5, and multiply that by 5 1/2, and you should get 34 1/10 feet squared.